Okay, let's see what we have in this package today. So I got a wig. That's one. Another wig. And another wig. I'll show you guys these wigs in another video. Stay tuned. And then I also got the lace wig beginner set. If you're going to be installing lace wig for yourself or others, you're going to need this to start. So I have the lace tint mousse spray. And then I got two edge brush comb thingy. And then here we have the Goodness fucking cap. And I had a light edge control to make your edges nice and neat. And I have the wax stick, so help with both of flyaways. And then I got two wig band that help set your lace, yeah. And this is a lace remover. And that's the lace glue. Right here, I got water boots. And I have the melting spray, and then I got this thing to clean my washing machine.